Hi there, hi guys, we are back again. Number 7 is this in this edition with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday, September the 18th, 2020. This one is a tectonic. We have two tectonics left. Tectonic with 1 star, and this will be number 1, 5, 6, 4. So let's get started. And I always, if I start to find, the question is, where is the single box? I see here a single box, so the single box is always the 1. Do we have a dual box? Yes, I see here a dual box. The 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. So these two boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Triple box, 1, 2, and 3. We have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 goes here in these 2 boxes. Let me mark them. We have a 1 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4. Yes, it's definitely a 5. 2 boxes left here, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. Let me, oh no, we have a 2 here, so this box can be a 2. This box should be the 2, and this should be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 2 boxes left for the 2 could be here or could be there. Triple box, 1, 2, and 3. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. Let me mark them. 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. That means that this box cannot be 2 or 3. I need a 2 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 and the 5 are left because it cannot be a 1. Let me mark them. 4 and a 5. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark them. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. We have a 5 here, so these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Cannot be a 5, so those 2 boxes left for the 5 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So can it be a 1? Cannot be a 2? Cannot be a 4. So one digit left here should be the 3. Two boxes left here in this quarter box, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. That means that no, this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. That means that this box I cannot fill a 1 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any one in one of those two boxes. So this should be a 2 and this should be a 1. Yeah. So we have a 3 here. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those two boxes. Two boxes left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark them. This box should be a 4 because I cannot place 2 or 3 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 2 or 3 in those two boxes. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. So one digit left should be the 4. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. The 5 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and the 5 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes in this box. One box left in this area for the number 4. This box cannot be a 1, so 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. The 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. Oh, we have a 4 here, so this can be a 4. So this box should be the 4, and this should be a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those two boxes. And the 3 also, 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, 1. Oh, this box cannot be a 1. So only one box left for the 1 should be here. These two cannot be a 1. Those two cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. One box left for the 3 should be there. 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes in this box. One box left in this area for the number 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 5, so one box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 4 goes there. No, now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. Then these two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in these two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those two boxes. These two boxes cannot be a 2 or the 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes. Alright, so those are the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this can't be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this can't be a 2 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be a 2. These two boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And 1 box left for the 5. Finish in 10 minutes. Alright. Great. Sudoku. I like this Tectonic. There is some speed in it. So I like this. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku. It will be a Tectonic with 3 stars. So see you later. Bye bye for now.